What's up, hustlers? In this video I'm going to show you how to list an item merchant fulfilled on Amazon.com, and once it sells I will show you how to ship it. Selling on Amazon merchant fulfilling is when you have an item, you post it online for sale on Amazon.com. Once it sells, you package this up, drop it off at the post office, and then you get paid. So I'm going to show you the process from start to finish. I bought this item at Target last year, Black Friday, for $15. I did a similar video months ago on how to merchant fulfill an item, but I want to do an updated video where I show you how to list it, show you how to pack it, and ship it. I will show you the whole process in one video. So with that being said, let's get into it. Make sure you have your Amazon selling account ready to go. Okay, let me show you my app.
All right, so we're at the Amazon Seller Central app. You want to tap top right on the camera right here. This is our item. You can either scan it like this, the cover. It shows here, the very first listing right here. It's a PS4 game. Or you can scan, or you can scan the barcode at the very back. It's more specific. So you can see it's going for the buy box. The buy box is going to be a new price most of the time. So the buy box is $33.84. You're going to view offers, select new. Amazon's on the price. Amazon.com new. $33.84. We're going to sell it. So we click on sell on the bottom. Our condition is brand new. It has the game, it has the instructions, and it's sealed. So we're going to click on new. If it was open and it's tested as well, you can do very good, or you can do use very good, acceptable, whatever. But in this case, we're going to sell it as new, right? We're going to match the lowest price, or you can either sell it at 45 or 28, whatever you want to do. You want to match, but I match the lowest price, $33.84. I have one quantity. Seller SKU, you can put whatever you got. I put it Target, $15. I got this from Target Black Friday last year, finally. And it's I got this from Black Friday last year. Target, $15. I will ship this item myself. Continue, and you're gonna submit your listing. Cool. It's already posted. Wait till it sells, and I'll show you how to ship it once it sells.
So yeah, it's already active, it's already live. Once it sells, you will get an email, you'll get notified when it sells. I recommend just checking the listing every day so you can see if you're selling it at the price that you want. So until it sells, I'll be back. Once it sells, I will show you how to ship it to your customer. What's up, hustlers? It's me, it's Paulo, the 4-eyed hustler again. This game actually did sell. Let me show you the email right here. You don't get paid until you ship it out to your customer, so let me show you right now. So we are at the Amazon Seller Central homepage of our computer. It's much easier to do the orders on your computer. So we're gonna show here your orders. You have one unshipped order. You must confirm shipment in order to be paid. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna view unshipped orders. Big shout out to my customer who's buying this from me. Thank you so much. This is the item, standard shipping. We're gonna buy shipping, right? Ship date is Tuesday, August 20th, which is today. Packaging. All right, so this is what we do. Today is Tuesday. We're gonna ship it right now. Scroll down to packaging, none. Add a new package. My poly bag is 13 inches by 10 by 1 inch. Just put that 13, 10, 1. Apply. I'm gonna weigh the video game. Alright, so I have my weighing scale right here, link in the bio. I love this weighing scale. Anyways, I got the video game here. I'm gonna weigh it. 3 ounces. Let's just say 4 ounces. So when I pack up video games like these, I want to make sure it is protected. I'm gonna put a clear poly bag on it and a shipping poly bag on top. So roughly that's 3.6 ounces. Let's just say 4 ounces, okay? So let's pack it up right now. All right, so we're back. So we're back here. Let's put 13 times 10 by 1. Weight is 0 pounds. It was only 4 ounces, right? It's gonna do loading. We can ship it first class, $276. which is pretty cheap, $2.76. Declared value is, let's just say 33, and it bumped us to 306. Declared value, base rate, I don't know what that is, so I guess that's insurance, maybe? I don't know. We're paying 306 after putting the declared value of 33. We sold it for $33. We're gonna do buy shipping. Now you don't need to. So I have a thermal printer. It's already connected. Let us see if it works. Now you don't need a thermal printer. You can just use whatever you have at home. You can just have a regular printer. I just have a thermal printer. It's faster. You print it, make sure that the label is clean. You do print. Awesome, so already have the label. We have 0 unshipped. We already bought the label. The tracking is already provided. See, it's already shipped. Now we have to bring this package to the post office. Sorry for the messy room. That's my inventory right there. Pardon me. Let's pack up the game, right? So I like to put some bubble mailer on it. Make it nice so it's not. Let's put some bubble mailer on it so it's clean, and I like to put a thank you sticker. Now this is anyone can pack up anything. I like to put a thank you sticker there, show my appreciation. Now anyone can pack it up so any way they want to. It's up to you. This is just how I do it. I got my Paulo mailer with the suffocation warning, a big must when you're selling on Amazon. Just to put more protection on it. And then we fold it. And then take out the seal. Cool. Right. Looks nice, looks professional. Next, we have our shipping poly mailer. Link, it will be in the description. Put it in the bag, all protected. Okay. Make sure you get off all the bubbles. Make sure it's nice and clean. Take out the strip. And then seal it up. Very nice, very clean. Next, you gotta put your shipping label on it. Nice and flat. Perfect. I also like to put stickers on my packages so that it will be scanned and the customer can see that it's going somewhere. Cool. We got our package ready to go. Just gotta drop it off in the mailbox or at the post office, whatever works for you. This is how much we made from this transaction. The post office has to scan it now. You're gonna get, this is from the original email. It will show you how much you made. So let me just screenshot it here. We sold it for $33. We sold the game for $33. Fees are $6.75. Our earnings is $26.25. Minus the cost of goods, which was $15, and the shipping, which was $3.06, right? Remember? So that is how you sell merchant fulfilled on Amazon.com. You just gotta drop this off at the post office. I'll show you how to do that if you want to see that.
Yep, we're at the box. We got the package. Just dropped it in. Oh, I can't. Oh man, I dropped it. Put the box, drop it in. Cool.
Amazon gives out payments every 2 weeks, so I'll see this profit after 2 weeks. Hopefully this helps. I did another video more in depth with books, selling books on Amazon, merchant fulfilled. I should check out that video right now. If this makes sense, give this a like. Consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I'll see you guys at the next video. Hustle mode on. Take care.